Time for a cozy cookie review. Starring Tate's Bake Shop, soft baked dark chocolate cookies. Love me some dark chocolate. So I'm super excited to try these.
Look at all those chunks. Oh, wow. They're so soft and bendy. Can't wait anymore. Pillowy, soft, so chewy. Delicious. Wow. Has such a buttery taste. Really decadent. Perfect little afternoon treat or post-dinner snack. This is a luxurious cookie experience. That's how you know it's a good cookie. Don't mind me. I fear these are addicting. Wow, you can taste all the real ingredients. You gotta get your hands on these.